Namaste, Namaste to all of you. Myself is Rahul. I am the tour facilitator in Delhi, and last 15 years I am working like this and exploring the Delhi. So today I selected the beautiful monument for you. This is the monument, we called it the Agrasen Ki Pavli, which you can see from here. This is the sandstone. You can see this is very hard rock, but we called it's a sandstone. So this is the, you can see that this is the part of like that the sandstone architecture. The monument, we called it 1400 it was built, and this is when we reach there, then you will see that how beautiful is it, how elegant this architecture. This is the merged explanation about the Hinduism and the Islamic also. So please come and try to explore this site. This is the beautiful gate. You see that the gate is very small, and from this gate we are going to enter into this architecture. I think you're trying to see the beautiful view of this architecture. And what we are seeing in this part, you can see the example of the Hinduism. Hindu people would like to king Raja Agrasen in the 14th century. He trying to explore this place. This was the stepped well. You can see that this is 16 meters stepped from the level of the earth, and from there it is digging out, and at the bottom there is a water step well, the water at the bottom. On this part, the bottom, you will see that the architecture, this is like the Indian and Islamic architecture together. You can see this the architecture over there. Can you focus on that part, please? Come, you can see that over this part. These are the arch types, that the explanation about this arch, we called it like that the arch window open towards the paradise. Like these are the windows and it open towards the paradise. So the name of this explanation. Sometimes the people describe this monument like a hidden monuments also. This is the monument what we are seeing, the wonder of this part over here. You can see that the beautiful of this part. Let me explain you this part. That is the part on the top of it. You will see that the bats at the night time. This is very important part of this architecture as well. At the bottom there is a well, the water. It's artificial water, the storing of the water from this place. And this water goes up from this place, and the cool air passing from this way to that way. Just turn your camera and we are on this place. And this is the part like that's all built with the sandstone. Most of them, there are many bawdis like this over here in this place, but these are the bawdis like that, we called it the British people when they were ruling on this place. So they destroy most of them bawdis, but they wanted Rajaon ki bawdi also, we called it. Raja means just like the king just to enjoy this place. Lots of Bollywood movies also played the role on this place, like the PK, like other Bollywood movies like Sultan also, the current movie, which you can see that, you can watch it. It's very famous now. It's slowly it become very famous. Might be later on you will see many youngsters, they come over here just to enjoy this place. So this is the wonderful view over on this side. Again, thank you very much to all of you, and this is my try to explain you about this monument. Thank you very much. Myself.